Hi, today I'm gonna finish June in the Spring, Summer, Hello, Fall, and Winter book by Sunshine and Chaos Budgeting. And I did a clip earlier with me finishing the half of June, and I'm gonna finish this one today. And I'm gonna use a 3-sided die, and I have $20. So, 3. Oops. 1. We'll just add it up at the end. 1. 1. 2. 1. 2. Let's see how much that is. 3, 3, 3, plus 2 is 11, 12. Let's see. So we'll just make these all 2s, and then that's 20. And I did a clip earlier, and I'll put it either before or after this, and then we'll start this one next week. And then that's done, and then I'm gonna do my big binder. And I've been busy because I think they think there's a leak in my water line. So they were here yesterday, and then they're supposed to come back today to try to fix it. And so I've been dealing with that, and then I don't know if you guys want to hear. I did one of the Ancestry DNA tests, and I don't know if you guys, let me know if you want me to do a video on that, about my heritage and my matches. If not, then I'll just put it in my membership. And okay, and then I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. And I got all the memberships for Ko-fi out. Sorry they were late. I'm gonna try to do July's probably next week. Probably after my birthday. And then this first step is Sin on a Budget. And I'm gonna use a 6-sided die. So 6. I feel like I never have enough room. We'll use a pen. No. We'll use orange. So 6. So 5 and 1. And let's see. Yep. And then next is Penguin Party by Susan at Windmill Ridge Budgets and More. And I'll do a 5. So 5. And yeah, I marked it. And then April's Fresh Start 2025. And yeah, So 6. So 5 and 1. And then, oh, this one's from Easter. Sunshine, Chaos, and Budgeting. And we'll roll it. Let's see. 3. So I'll do this one. 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'll do one more. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll do this one. 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8. And then this unicorn's from MS Mom Budgets. I got a part of her subscription. And we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here's 5. And then I'm just gonna keep doing this. This is my happy birthday challenge. And I'll switch to the 3-sided. 3. So 1, 2, 3. And then last up in this binder is from Tess Lynn XO. And let's roll the dice and see. So 1, 2, 3, $8. Let's see if I have enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll find another $1 and put it in later. And that's all I have in this binder. And then I have money I saved in I'm gonna start this new travel binder from Sunshine and Chaos Budgeting. And that she gave me as a gift. And we'll start, I'm gonna do a scratch off. I think I have 40. I'm not gonna count it because it's a lot of ones. But I have a 10, a 5, and a whole bunch of ones. And we'll do a scratch off. $3. So 1, 2, 3. And then I'm gonna start here and I'm gonna use my 3-sided die. Let's see. 2, 1, 2. I'll do. And then let's see how far we go. 3. Oops. 1, 2, 3. 1. 1. Oh, I didn't have the money. Hold on. Let's see. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll put a 5, 6, 7, 8. And keep going. 1, 1. Did I mess up? I don't remember. 3. I probably messed up somewhere. Oh well. And then another 3. 1, 2, 3. Another 3. Let me, 1, 2, 3. Let me see if I can condense some of the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So let me put the 10 there. And then 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 3. Let's see. Oops. 1, 2, 3. And we'll keep going. If you're still watching. 1, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then 1. And I have 3 left, so there's 1. Hopefully I get a 1 or a 2. A 1. And we'll just put $1 more. Thank you, Sunshine, for this book. I can't wait to see how much I save. So this is the 40, and it has an envelope here. And then she also has these smaller challenges. I'll probably go through the big ones and then come back and do the smaller ones. And we'll just stick this in here. And that's all I have for today. I gotta get ready for the guys to come and work on the water line. And I'm not I'll probably be, well, tomorrow, which is, well, on the 3rd, I'm going to town because that's payday, and then I'm gonna try to do a budget video. I'm gonna try to get it up by Friday or Saturday because I'll be busy tomorrow and I'm busy this afternoon. But I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hi, today I have $20 and I'm doing Sunshine and Chaos's Seasons book. And I'm behind and I'm doing June, well, the first page. So, and I have 20. So, let me get a calculator. So, 2, 2. Oh, and I'm using a 3-sided die. 1, 2, and I'll probably throw this as a clip in one of my videos. Probably in one of my videos. 2, 1, 1, 2. Let's see how much this is. So 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 13. So I have 7 left. Let's see. We'll just put 2s down here. 2, 4, 6, 8. So I need to get one more dollar, and I'll put 21 in today. I have from in here $1. So 21, and I'm gonna try to finish this side this week and then start July. So 21 is, I think, for summer. Yeah, summer.